We've started capturing a lot of data recently because this space is going very data driven in terms of offering itself. So our customers like to have certain analytics in real time and then drive the value out of it in terms of tracking the goals for themselves, right? So, and then second aspect we're looking at is basically in making the whole SaaS end-to-end customer life cycle very product driven, right? From acquisition to basically doing pilot to engagement, automating the entire CS experience of the customers, right? So the real-time aspects and the veracity of the data aspects and the visualization is the key to our data collection, storage and uses. So what architecturally we are still exploring with basically hybrid models of cloud and certain things built in-house. So architecturally what we are using for basically pipeline is some of the say cloud solution services which are out of box available for some of the pipelines which don't need huge amount of transformation, but the pipelines where that a good amount of transformation is needed and it still needs to be real time. We need to test the data authenticity, veracity part of it. We write our own pipelines. We use things like Kafka and few other open source tools to actually create the pipelines, and we centralize the entire data in combination of data lake and data warehouse. So data warehouse we use to finally ensure that everything is cleansed and very self-serve usable at the end of the day, because that's the essence, right? Whether it's internal teams or customers, they need to derive the value out of data in our use case in the case. So data warehouse we use from the cloud and we have some obviously multiple sources of data from multiple microservices. So we use basically we flatten every data. So we use ETL and then transformation again in a lot of cases. So it's almost near real time, not real time. So we in most of our pipeline we flatten the data from NoSQL, and from SQL it's already flattened, but normalize the data, test the data and put it in data lake, and then process it again, transform it again and put it in data warehouse, and so that it's directly consumable. There are aggregates which are already generated, and then we use host of visualization tools and also some of the visualization front ends that we have in-house built to enable customers with the right analytics and insights on top of that.